Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Wednesday, November 28th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude oil fell more than $1 a barrel in New York after a government report showed the U.S. supplies declined less than expected and refineries increased fuel output. Stockpiles fell 452,000 barrels to 313.2 million last week. Crude oil is trading at $94.58 per barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York declined on an outlook that above-average supplies are ample for winter. Natural gas is trading at $7.43 per million British thermal units. Gold and silver fell for a second straight day after the dollar rebounded against the euro, reducing the appeal of the precious metals as alternative investments. Gold is trading at $810.40 per ounce. Silver is trading at $14.61 an ounce. Today we're joined by Flynn from Alaron. Phil, can you tell us what today's Energy Department report means for the price of commodities?
The oil sell-off continues today. If there was nothing in today's Department of Energy report that gave hope to the $100 hopefuls. You know, the guys that were betting on $100 a barrel were hopeful this report was going to be bullish enough to drive us up to those lofty levels. But there was nothing in there that was all that bullish, to be honest with you. I mean, if you go across the board, if anything, it was probably a little bit bearish, to be honest with you. Look across the board. I mean, if you look at the crude oil, for example, crude oil inventories really fell just a little bit. They're not moving in the right direction. And in Cushing, of course, they didn't fall as dramatically as hoped. And, of course, that led to the oil getting hammered a little bit. Gasoline inventories did rise, but only by 1.44 million barrels. And distillate inventories actually fell at a time when you'd like to see them rise going into winter. So obviously the market's taking this as a bearish number, and I think once again those $100 hopes are going to be put on hold for some time to come.
Thanks, Phil. That was Flynn from Alaron. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again for another update right here on etvFutures.com.